Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone is freezing after the iOS 18 update. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to first restart your iPhone. To do it, you have to quickly press volume up and then press the volume down button and hold the side button quickly, and then you have to slide to power off. Make sure you do it quickly, because if you do it slowly it won't work. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. This usually unfreezes your iPhone. Then the next step is you have to free up storage on your iPhone. To do it, you have to go to settings, then you have to press on general, then you can see the option called phone storage right here. The third option is tap onto it and see how much storage you have. If you don't have enough storage, just free up your iPhone by clicking any app you don't want to use. Just tap onto it and then tap on to offload app or delete app. Offloading app will delete the app but keep its data on your iPhone, and deleting the app, it will delete the app, also delete the data on your iPhone. Choose the preferred you like to add, and that's it. And low storage can cause apps to crash and freeze your iPhone, so just fix it and make sure your all apps are updated, because if your apps are not updated this might create problems. So to do it, you have to tap on app store, then here you can see your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap onto it and here you can see of all of your apps which needs to be updated. Just tap on to update all and they will be updated, and then you restart your iPhone again, and that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.